Christmas, a time meant for joy, reflection, and spiritual renewal, often faces challenges that obscure its true purpose. Commercialism looms large, with advertisements urging us to buy more, spend more, and focus on material exchange. The relentless push to acquire the latest gadgets, decorations, and indulgent experiences can overshadow the deeper meaning of the season. Families may find themselves stressed, grappling with financial pressures to meet expectations of extravagant celebrations. For many, Christmas becomes a time of obligation rather than connection, a series of to-do lists instead of moments of peace. This pervasive focus on materialism can erode the spiritual essence of Christmas. Social gatherings, while joyous, can sometimes lack genuine connection, turning into occasions for competition or obligation rather than heartfelt celebration. Even acts of giving, so central to the season, risk being reduced to mere transactions, where the thoughtfulness and intention behind the gifts takes a back seat to their monetary value. To some, the season may highlight loneliness or loss, as the festive cheer around them feels distant and unattainable. In striving to meet external expectations, the true spirit of Christmas can be lost. However, amidst these challenges lies an opportunity, a chance to reclaim the essence of Christmas and infuse it with meaning, love, and spiritual depth. To truly celebrate Christmas, we must move beyond the distractions and rediscover its purpose. Christmas is not just a social or commercial event, it is a sacred occasion that calls us to reflect on the life and teachings of Christ, and to find His qualities within ourselves and to share them with the world. Let us begin by celebrating with intention. Decorating our homes and exchanging gifts are beautiful traditions, but they should be expressions of love, gratitude, and connection rather than material excess. Instead of striving for perfection in appearances, let us focus on creating meaningful moments with loved ones. Take time to reflect on the year, to share stories, to laugh, and to strengthen bonds. When we gather around the Christmas tree, let it symbolize not just festivity, but also unity and the light of love that Christ brought into the world. Forgiveness is a profound gift we can give during this season. Christmas offers an opportunity to let go of past grievances, to heal relationships, and to approach others with compassion and understanding. Christ's teachings remind us of the power of love and forgiveness, even toward those who may have wronged us. In His example, we find a call to transcend pettiness and hostility, replacing them with kindness and grace. By practicing forgiveness, we honor the essence of Christ's life and teachings. Acts of generosity, whether grand or small, embody the spirit of Christmas. Giving does not have to be expensive or extravagant. It can be as simple as offering your time, lending a listening ear, or sharing a meal. When we give with intention from a place of love, we create ripples of joy and connection. This season, consider how you can extend kindness not just to your family and friends, but also to strangers, to those in need, and to the broader community. Deep reflection and meditation allows us to connect with the spiritual essence of Christmas. Meditate on love, peace, and the interconnectedness of all beings. In the quiet of these moments, let Christ's presence become a living reality in your heart. This inward journey helps us find balance, clarity, and a renewed sense of purpose. As we celebrate, let us embrace inclusivity and universal love. Christmas is not limited to one faith or tradition. It is a time to recognize the shared humanity that unites us all. Let your celebrations reflect the love Christ showed for all people, regardless of race, creed, or circumstance. Open your heart to those who may feel excluded, and let your kindness create a space where everyone feels valued and loved. Ultimately, Christmas is a call to action, a reminder to embody the qualities we admire in Christ: love, forgiveness, compassion, humility, and courage. It invites us to transcend the superficial and embrace the eternal, to make every day a reflection of Christ's teachings. As you celebrate, let your actions and intentions be guided by the light of Christ. See Him not only in religious symbols, but also in the beauty of nature, in the goodness of others, and in the quiet stirrings of your soul. This Christmas, let us rise above the distractions and challenges. Let us celebrate not just with our hands, but with our hearts, not just with rituals, but with purpose. Let every gift, every meal, every song, and every moment become a tribute to the love that Christ brought into the world. By doing so, we transform Christmas from a fleeting holiday into a lasting celebration of spirit, connection, and joy. In this way, the essence of Christmas lives on, not just for a day, but throughout the year, in every act of love, every gesture of kindness, and every quiet moment of reflection.